Hi, I'm Joe Zaga with the Carpet Guys, and I'm here at IKEA in Michigan, and they sell an awful lot of laminate flooring, and their laminate floors selection does look pretty nice. But the drawback to laminate flooring, if you don't get a really good quality laminate flooring, what happens with humidity changes and what have you, you can see the separations and the gaps in the boards. And it's pretty common with some of this stuff, and even though this is something that they sell and they have it inside their own stores, you can see the failures and the chips and what have you. So not only does it have vulnerabilities to separations and gaps like you can see obviously all these do, but good things typically aren't cheap and cheap things aren't all that good. So typically I would really recommend going with something that's a little bit more higher end that you can put down once and not have to worry about for a long time. Anyways, you can check us out, 855 For My Guys, or visit carpetguys.com for more information on good quality laminate flooring that won't do this.